Today we are reviewing self-locking clamps. My choice of clamps is Vise Grips. I have many of them. Vise Grips are about the most expensive clamps available, but they're about the best value for money in that they perform faultlessly and they are that rugged and durable, but they never really wear out. My most commonly used one is the 10R. They grip nuts, bolts, studs, panels, plates, and everything else really. Other makes are available, often at a fraction of the cost, but for long-lasting quality, my recommendation is Vise Grips. Click on the link in the description below to buy yours.